Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some essential gestures that will make your life easier while drawing. So, gesture number 1, 2 fingers to erase. If you have several lines, you can tap with 2 fingers and hold, and it will delete everything you have. Gesture 2, if you want a straight line, you just need to hold your pencil. And you see, it's already a perfect line. You can move it along as you wish, and same happens with a circle. So if you want the perfect circle, you will draw the circle. Now with 1 finger, you can tap and the circle will be perfectly shaped. Same happens with squares. I can close my shape and hold it, and you will see that here you will have several shapes that you can work with just to have the perfect square. Gesture 3, in order to make your canvas size as big as your iPad, you can move it along, but there is a gesture that if you pinch, it will fit into your iPad size. If you ever saw some of my reels, I do this gesture at the end of the reel just by pinching the illustration to fill up the screen size. Gesture 4. So say I have all these items in the same layer and I want to separate this girl from the other items. So I will click on the selection tool, select my girl, click on the arrow tool, and with 3 fingers swipe down, and 1 menu will appear here. So here you can cut, copy, duplicate, everything you want. So I can cut and paste, and if I go to my layers panel, here I already have my girl on a different layer. Same happens if I want to duplicate this. Now that my girl is on a single layer, I will click on the transform tool, swipe with 3 fingers down, and I can duplicate here. You see, now I have 2. Of course, you can duplicate with your layer too, and it will create a new one. This was just for the purpose of showing you the 3 fingers gesture. I hope you can include these gestures on your workflow, and if you want to see the whole series of Procreate for beginners, check them out to start drawing. There are 4 bite-sized lessons to get you started easily and fast. So thank you for being here, and if you like this series, please click like or subscribe. That always means a lot to me, and see you in the next one. Bye!